Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you seeking to purchase your dream home? If your answer is yes, well, seek no more. We have here a house that was recently reduced in price. It was reduced by US 55,000 or Jamaican $8.4 million. This beautiful and ready to move in home is just waiting on you. Located in the area of Rio Nuevo Resorts, St. Mary, is the perfect area to call home. It sits on 0.24 acres of land. The home is enchanted with beachy views, tranquility, and its central location is perfect for your family unit or next investment property. This two-story home consists of four spacious bedrooms and four bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining, washroom, enclosed carport, and a beautiful view of the sea from the upstairs patio. It also consists of an unattached two-story building that contains two bedrooms, two bathrooms, living, dining, kitchen, washroom, and a patio. This provides the perfect opportunity for living and also an income earner. It's located close to all basic amenities, with the Ian Flemming Airport just 10 minutes away. Call today to schedule viewing and submit your offer. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 595,000 or Jamaican $91.5 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.